Your client just said yes to solar. Congratulations. But now the real work begins. One misstep during the site inspection process could cost you thousands, or even worse, delay the actual project. I'll walk you through the exact steps to master the solar site inspection and avoid mistakes that could hurt your install bottom line. Let's work on getting it right every time. In just 20 minutes, our SAA-approved video presentation strips all the fluff and gets right to the point. Earn 15 CPD points with all the slides instantly usable. This course is perfect for all skill levels, focusing on up to a 1 megawatt PV system size. Upskill with the expertise and advice needed to successfully undertake commercial site inspections. Learn through our step-by-step guide from a decade of experience on site with Greenwood, so you can confidently nail the entire inspection process with precision, expert advice from those that do it day in, day out. Broken into 2 parts, you'll start with an in-depth dive into the basics of what to look for, such as from main breaker ratings to roof sheet types. Nothing gets missed. Learn with real-life commercial solar examples, actual site photos, and practical spreadsheet applications which you get to keep. You won't need to be an Excel wizard to figure it out. Once completed, you'll receive 15 CPT points. Learn on any device, anytime, anywhere. Ready to stop second-guessing your site inspections and start scaling with confidence. If you're serious about leveling up your solar game, hit that link and let's get started.